What's going on, guys? My name is Lextasy and welcome back to the channel. And today we're doing a little bit of street action here. Somewhat drizzling outside, but we got both the cars out as well as a few buddies out and a few out of town, not locals as well, that are here to enjoy the fun. I'm shivering because it's like 20 degrees out here and it's going to be 80 tomorrow. You can never figure out actual whatsoever, but yeah, I want to really see what this car can do. So we're going to run against the GTR, of course, because that's the main competitor. I really want to see if it's 700 to the wheels or if we're a little bit lower than that, because it's never been on a dyno. So that's going to be a good starting point. But we got two Hellcats that are way above my my pay grade or my horsepower. And then we got a built motor, a BMW in the back as well. So we got a few good cars out here. We'll get some runs in. We'll get a few buddies to get some runs in. Hopefully no cops or anything like that. But yeah, let's enjoy the time. I just want to get a good baseline as to where we stand on this car. And then probably next week get on the dyno and get it fully tuned, because this one just has an off-the-shelf tune on it. So it's not really specific to this R7 and this setup with the custom intakes and mid pipes and down pipes and everything. So yeah, let's have some fun, guys. So close on that. Well, I mean, it's not close, but it locked me out a second. I was second gear, but as soon as I was trying to catch up to him and get in the same lane, I had to go up in RPMs because I was at like 6,000, so it upshifted me. And when it put me in third gear, I couldn't downshift anymore, so it stuck me in third at like 4,000, which is not even all the way up. But as you can tell through that first gear, I held on for a second, but then as soon as it shifted, man, that lag in the shift, it was horrible. Man, that was fun. This car's got potential. We gotta do the right things. We gotta shift or tune the transmission, and we just gotta make sure we get a fine tune on this tune done. So fine tune on the tune, right? But we gotta figure this car out. It's got so much potential. Wow, and I'm so comfortable right now. My butt warmers are on. I can literally drive this till California and not even get sore. All right, Jason. So you finally got a chance to drive the car. What do you think? What do you think of the GTR? Now, this is the Chevy guy. This is the Chevy guy, so go on.
For the money, I believe it's overrated. I don't think that I would buy one.
What?
Like 160, it feels really unstable to me.
This one?
Yeah.
The GTR does?
Yeah, but thank God it has good brakes on it.
Holy
when you
crap.
guys
Wow.
doing that shuffle on the interstate up there.
Yeah.
My God, I had to stand this thing on its nose.
What would you say is it's better handling at 160 than this?
Ozzy 01 that didn't move around like this one does. This one just feels like it washes around for some reason.
Oh snap, the spoiler's still on. How many pulls was that doing, you know, 160? It's still there. That is so freaking hilarious. You can't get rid of this thing. I got a spoiler for my spoiler. That is so sick. I'm so gonna get bashed for that. Yeah, I'll take it off later, but I thought it would fly off at 150, 160. I guess not. But this thing is freaking awesome. I love the looks of it. Everything about this car just screams comfort until you mash it, but it definitely needs like a trans tune. I know I keep repeating myself, but no joke, it's got potential. It needs to stop being comfortable, you know what I mean? It just needs to stop being like a luxury car. I get what they're trying to do with this is just to make, you know, a comfortable race car, a luxury car that can, yes, stand its ground, but that's not what I want out of it, you know? So I want it to be pushed to its full potential as a dig car or as a street rolling racing whatever car. So we're gonna work on that. We've done so many races. Hopefully I got some good GoPro footage of the GTR running some of the BMWs and stuff like that in the Hellcats. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I think we're done for tonight because it's getting a little too hot out here. So thank you guys so much. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment what you think of this. If you want to see anything done to both cars, I'll do whatever. You guys let me know. I love performance stuff and putting parts on them. But thank you guys. It means a lot that you watch these videos. Subscribe, like, comment, everything, man. Thanks for joining the family, guys. And enjoy your cars, enjoy your lives, enjoy your friends. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.